Assalamu alaikum. Hello everybody. How are you? I hope you are all well. I'm also fine, thank you. Today I'm going to discuss about some others important rule and welcome to you again. In our previous lesson we have been given a smart art and you have been asked to write 5 sentences from this smart art using the subject the students and its pronoun they. So I hope you have prepared your homework. Just check your homework. My dear students, you have have written in this way. The students get up early in the morning. ছাত্রছাত্রীরা ভোরে ঘুম থেকে উঠে সকালে ঘুম থেকে উঠে দে স্টাডি অ্যাটেন্টিভলি, তারা মনোযোগ সহকারে পড়ে। দে ডোন্ট নেগলেক্ট স্টাডিজ, তারা তাদের পড়ালেখা অবহেলা করে না। দে গো টু স্কুল ডেইলি, তারা প্রত্যহ স্কুলে যায়, প্রতিদিন স্কুলে যায়। দে অবি দেয়ার প্যারেন্টস অ্যান্ড টিচার্স, তারা তাদের শিক্ষকদের এবং বাবা মাদেরকে তারা মেনে চলে। দে মাস্ট রেসপেক্ট দ্য এল্ডার্স। ইউ মে have written such kind of sentences from the smart art, I hope. Now welcome to you again on my today's lesson, use of right forms of verb. Learning outcomes: by the end of the lesson you will be able to use the right forms of verb of their plural form and you will be able to solve the problems related to the plural forms of verb. Okay, I hope you will be attentive for the class. Now my dear students, I am going to write a word here, who and which. Do you know why I have written? Okay, they are relative pronoun, RP, relative pronoun. When the relative pronoun joins two words or subjects in a sentence, you must follow a rule. What's the rule? Just wait. You can see person. So who is used instead of a person? Which is used instead of thing. Where is used instead of a place, and that can be used instead of a person or a thing. Understand? Now have a look. Rule 8. In our previous lesson we have stopped rule to rule 7. Now I am going to start again from rule 8. Rule 8, একাধিক সাবজেক্ট যদি রিলেটিভ প্রনাউন who, whom, which, whose, which, that দ্বারা যুক্ত হয়, সেক্ষেত্রে প্রিয় বন্ধুরা তোমাদেরকে দেখতে হবে রিলেটিভ প্রনাউনের পূর্ববর্তী সাবজেক্টটি কী রয়েছে। রিলেটিভ প্রনাউনের পূর্ববর্তী সাবজেক্ট যদি আই থাকে, ইউ থাকে অর প্লুরাল ফর্ম থাকে, তাহলে ভার্বের বেস ফর্ম অর প্লুরাল ফর্ম হবে। দ্য রুল সেজ দ্যাট। ওকে, নাও look here. What do you see? You see a vegetable market. Another photo, you can see a teacher. A teacher may have a discussion with someone online, or she or he is preparing a digital class or content for you, and you can see fresh vegetables. Fresh vegetables contain vitamins. They can help us to make your body healthy. Okay. Now just have a look. First one, Iman liked the books which were interesting. My dear students, which here relative pronoun, and before relative pronoun you can see the books plural form, so verb here were in the plural form. Okay, number B, those here plural form, and who here relative pronoun. Before relative pronoun you can see those, and after relative pronoun you can see verb plural form of the subject those. Okay, now number C, it is you here subject, who here relative pronoun. So after relative pronoun love in the base form as subject you. Next, we eat vegetables, but why? We eat vegetables which provide, because vegetables provide us vitamin. So relative pronoun, before relative pronoun you must follow the formula. Before relative pronoun, if pronoun or relative pronoun, if subject I or you or any other plural form of subject, then verb will be base form or root form or plural form. The formula says that. I think you have understood. Okay, now wait for the next rule. It's coming. My dear students, I am going to write here as if or as though. Listen to me carefully. I am a teacher. I am not the Prime Minister of a country, or I am not the President, just like Donald Trump or Barack Obama or any other aristocratic person in our country or other countries. If I speak in this way, I speak, S-P-E-A-K, speak, or he speaks, and then as if or as though, and the subject I here again I and he here again he, then verb. What kind of verb, what type of verb can be used in the gap? Can you tell me? Yes, my dear students, I am going to tell you that if you find as if in a sentence, and if you find base form of a verb or singular form, as or es ending verb is a singular form with the root form. If you find singular form or base form before as if or as though, in the gap be verb will be W-E-R-E-Y. I want to clarify this rule using slide. Okay, now again look at the slide. Rule 9. As if or as though যদি কোনো সেন্টেন্সে তোমরা দেখতে পাও পূর্বের ভার্ব যদি বেস ফর্ম থাকে অথবা সিঙ্গুলার ফর্ম থাকে, সেই ক্ষেত্রে তোমাদের as if এবং as though এর পরবর্তী সাবজেক্ট সিঙ্গুলার or plural, no problem. Verb will be where in the gap, or verbs past form. Verbs past form, this rule I will again discuss next video. Okay, just wait. Look here, what do you see? Actually they are the prominent persons in the world. First one, the father of the nation of India. Second one, our honorable first president and father of the nation, Bangladesh Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, and Mao Zedong, the president of China, state president. And then most prominent persons of South Asia is not alive, dead. Okay, Nelson Mandela, okay, who fought against racism in South Africa. Okay, there was a conflict between white and black. Okay, first black president of South Africa. Another person, prominent person of Vietnam, and another is Genghis Khan. Right? Okay, now have a look again. Young boy, he speaks. How? Okay.
প্রত্যেক গ্রামে, প্রত্যেক মহল্লায়, প্রত্যেক ইউনিয়নে, প্রত্যেক সাব ডিভিশনে আওয়ামী লীগের নেতৃত্বে সংগ্রাম পরিষদ গড়ে তোলো এবং তোমাদের যা কিছু আছে তাই নিয়ে প্রস্তুত থাকো। মনে রাখবা, রক্ত যখন দিয়েছি রক্ত আরো দেব, এদেশের মানুষকে মুক্ত করে ছাড়বো ইনশাআল্লাহ। এবারে সংগ্রাম আমাদের মুক্তির সংগ্রাম।
Okay, now look here. Same, the girl is one of the girl of Filipino girl named Hannah Jamie. She thinks as if she were the sunflower. Actually, she is not the sunflower. It cannot be possible. Is it possible? No. But she thinks, you may imagine. Okay. Look here, number 8. They think as if, here subject plural form, they have plural form. After plural form, then you can see as if and then subject and be verb here where. And next sentence, family singular form, but after singular form you can see as though, as if and as though, no problem, but subject singular and verb be verb here where. So same formula in cases of as if and as though. If you find as if or as though, then be verb will be where, always time. It has another rule, next time I will discuss. So wait for the next video. My dear students and viewers, I request you to have a look again. You can see don't or doesn't or didn't in a sentence. After don't, doesn't and didn't negative statement, then verb will be always in the base form. It may be negative sentence or it may be an interrogative sentence. If you find it at the beginning of sentence don't, then sentence or doesn't or didn't sentence will be yes not question or interrogative sentence. If you find after subject, if you find subject then don't or doesn't or didn't, then verb will be base form. Such as I don't like smoking because smoking is a bad habit. It causes cancer. It damages our lungs. Nobody likes a smoker. A bad smell comes out from the mouth of a smoker and nobody likes it. So I don't like smoking. Okay. After don't, you can see like in the base form. Same. Don't I hate smoking? Yes. My dear student, the formula or the rule says that after don't, doesn't and didn't, verb always be in the base form or plural form or root form. Now look here, more examples such as we don't know the boy. Amra ছেলেটিকে চিনি না. And you can see after don't, verb here base form. Number B, he doesn't follow the rules of health. সে স্বাস্থ্যের নিয়ম বা বিধি মানে না. Follow again base form after doesn't, and in the beginning of the sentence didn't, and you can see after subject you can see a verb call in the base form. So the formula is very clear. If sentence negative sentence or interrogative sentence, no problem. If you find don't, doesn't or didn't in a sentence, verb always be in the base form. If you find the gap after these don't, doesn't and didn't. Okay, now what do you see? A boy named Akram, and you can see phrase together, or you can see a preposition just with, or you can see as well as a phrase. There are such kind of words or phrases in a sentence accompanied by, accompanied with, together with, along with, or as well as. After these, verb must depend on the first subject, such as subject 1 plus as well as plus subject 2, then verb. Okay, I as S-O-L-S, he. Okay, go to school. So if you think over he, verb will be singular form goes. Verb will be singular form G-O-E-S, goes, but it will be wrong, because as well as, when as well as, together with, along with, this such kind of words or phrases join two or more subjects in a sentence, you will use the verb according to the first subject. The rule or formula says that. Okay, my dear students, just have a look of the video. What does the video say? The boy Akram is here, and not only Akram but of other boys. So boys here first subject and Akram here second subject, and verb here plural form. So according to first subject boys, verb here are. Clear? Okay, good. Now, my dear students, note down in your notebook with accompanied with as well as the একাধিক সাবজেক্ট যুক্ত হলে প্রথম সাবজেক্ট যদি I হয় or you হয় or plural form হয়, then verb will be base form or plural form. You can note down in this way, right? Have you noted down? Okay, let's go to the next sentence. Here parents plural form first subject, and then my uncle second subject singular form, but verb here base form take. Why not? Okay, clear? I hope you can understand, can't you? Okay, good. Now note down first subject, then with or along with or together with or accompanied with, and then second subject. So you will use the verb according to the first subject in the pair. Okay. Now what do they do? They may be teachers, they are having a discussion or a meeting, or they may be the students and teachers combining. Okay, they are having a discussion or they are on a meeting. Now, more example for you. Students, first subject, then S-O-L-S, then their science teacher has singular form, but verb here one base form. According to the students, and the number B, boys with their leader. So leader singular form, but boys first subject plural form, then cricket play here base form or root form. So I hope you can understand better from the sentences. What does the rule say? Okay, now let's try. You can do or not. My dear students, you may notice such kind of problem in question paper. So when you will fight with the verb and formula or rule, at first you will read the whole text again and again, try to get the meaning of the text, and then you will think about the verbs, and you may have to change the verbs according to the rules you have learned. Okay, I will explain the whole question step by step. At first, I am to give you an extra information, such as the question number 4, and you are going to answer the question. In this way, you write answer to the question number 4. Put an underline. Okay, then you write number B, C, D, E, left 5 and right 5. Okay, finish. And you will just write the answer only. No need to write the whole question paper. Some students write the whole text or topics of passage. Then they write in the gap. No need. Just write. Suppose number A, verb here, help. Okay. Number B, verb here, are. Okay. In this way, just you will write. No need underline, no need comma or full stop. Just you will write the verb, correct forms of verb after number. Now, look here. Now check our first sentence. We should respect our parents. Actually, who and parents. You will think about parents, plural form, and you can see relative pronoun. After relative pronoun, the verb will be according to the first subject. Okay, so parents are plural form, so be verb will be here are in the gap. Parents are the source of our life. Okay, have you got the idea? Good. Now, next, parents as well as everybody. Not only parents. Parents love us. No doubt, no problem. Every mother loves a child, every father loves his child, and parents love us very much. You know. But our brothers, sisters, uncle, aunt, or neighbor, our kith and kin, they also love us, take care of us. Okay. Now, parents as well as everybody or everyone dash care. Care is appropriate take. So, take and care means to serve. As well as you can see before as well as parent plural form. So, verb will be base form T-A-K-E, take. So, you will write the answer only take, number B. Okay? Good. Next, parents take care of us very much. Now, look here, these or those. These comes from this, and those comes from that. These twos are singular, and these twos are plural. So, after these or those, verb will be plural form. Okay, have you got the idea? Now, look at the sentence. Those who dash as our well-wishers are dangerous. Actually, the people in our society, there are some people, not everybody, there are some people, they show themselves as good one, but really they are wicked person, aren't they? Obviously. So be careful of them. Those who pretend, they only pretend, they not real, they pretend as our well wishers. তারা আমাদের শুভাকাঙ্ক্ষীর ভান করে. Actually, they are dangerous. Right? Don't you believe it? তুমি কি এটিকে বিশ্বাস করো না? Okay. After don't, verb will be base form all this time. So answer. Check your answer. Have you got your answer? Okay. Now, next. Someone shows them as though. So, as though and as if. After as though and as if, subject singular form or plural form, no problem. Verb always be verb will be where in the gate. Okay, now check. Next, we must respect them, and you can see who as a relative pronoun and them plural form. So after plural form subject, this is the object of they. So after they or them, verb will be plural form in the gap. We must respect them. আমাদের উচিত তাদেরকে শ্রদ্ধা করা, সম্মান করা, যারা আমাদেরকে কি করে in time of danger, আমাদের বিপদের সময় যারা আমাদেরকে সাহায্য করে. So in the gap verb will be based from false. Okay, now check your answer. Next one, a good student doesn't. So after doesn't verb will be always time base form or root form. So neglect, a good student does not neglect his parent. একজন ভালো ছাত্র কখনো তার বাবা মাকে অবহেলা করে না. Do you neglect your parents? Do you neglect your teachers? No. A good student never neglects. Okay. Now he also does not. After does not verb will be base form. So does not dash with his classmates. সে তার সহপাঠীদের সাথেও misbehave করে না, দুর্ব্যবহার করে না. So after does not verb will be base form same, and you can see as if, after as if subject singular no problem, but the verb will be where. Very simple formula, and you have learned better, I hope. Next and last one for you. His teachers along with. So along with, together with, have you remembered? Together with, accompanied by, accompanied with. Such kind of phrases takes the verb according to the first subject, right? Here first subject teachers plural form. So his teachers dash him very much, love him very much. So in the gap there will be love. Okay. Now teachers plural form, so verb base form. My dear students, look here, they are noting down, they are writing the rule in their notebook. So have you written? Finish? Okay, good. Now oral presentation, I will give you 3 questions and you will find out the suitable or best answer from the alternatives, just for 3 minutes only. Okay, now try yourself, think about the rule and fight with the sentences. First one, time doesn't. After doesn't, you will find out the suitable answer from the alternatives. And second one, with, accompanied by, accompanied, together with, accompanied by, accompanied with, together with, along with, or with. Subject, what is the subject here and what type of word or verb here? Okay, good. And then the girl says, my dear student, time does not. But, and we are having a tour. Okay, now the girl is not an actress, but she seems a beautiful girl. She seems just like Oshuriya or Shabnur or Purnima, right? Okay, now check your answer. Doesn't, after doesn't verb base form, and then accompanied by subject here we, so we go on a tour. So we accompanied with Nitu, আমরা নিতুর সঙ্গে আমরা একটা ভ্রমণে যাই। And first, সময় কারোর জন্য অপেক্ষা করে না সেটা বোঝানো হয়েছে। দ্য গার্ল সিমস অ্যাজ ইফ, মেয়েটিকে মনে হচ্ছে সে যেন একজন অভিনেত্রী। সো আফটার অ্যাজ ইফ the verb will be where. Okay, now last evaluation for you. Evaluate yourself. Just write a rule of the plural form of verb. আমরা অনেকগুলো plural form of ভার্বের নিয়মগুলো ব্যাখ্যা করেছি। জাস্ট একটি রুল তোমাদেরকে লিখতে বলা হচ্ছে। জাস্ট রাইট, write and show. Okay, good. Next, give an example of as well as. Just as well as কে ব্যবহার করে জাস্ট একটা সেন্টেন্স বলবে। Tell me a sentence using as well as. Very good. Okay, now read. Boys with Akram. Looking. Is it correct? Change it. Okay, good. No need ing. Very good. Okay, according to boys. Who, relative pronoun who, the person who dash দ্য স্টুডেন্টস আর টিচার্স, যারা ছাত্রছাত্রীদেরকে পড়া তারা শিক্ষক। ওকে, হু relative pronoun, persons, plural form, so no need yes or singular verb, you need just base form, right? Very good. Last one, he runs as if, after as if, subject singular or plural, no problem, verb will be where, right? Have you got your answer? Okay, very nice. Now my dear students, have a look and note down in your notebook. You have been given a table. You'll write minimum 5 sentences from the table using the words from first column, then one second column, and then one third column. I will take your homework next class. Okay, thank you everybody for watching the video, and thank you viewers, and many love to you. And again, thank you very much. Love to you. Stay home, stay well, stay safe. Goodbye. See you next video.